That's my pet duck. His name is Flip. My neighbor's sprinkler just turned on. They have it on a timer. It's hilarious. Comes on even when it's raining, but right now I don't blame it. It hasn't rained in over 2 months here, and when it does rain, it's only been half an inch or less. And the entire year since 2011 started, Texas has been in a complete drought with wildfires everywhere. In fact, there was one wildfire here in the neighborhood that dumped ash where I live. It's pretty bad. There's nothing left, but there was a fire here. There wasn't damage to the neighborhood, just ash. But now it's finally raining. Significant rainfall over southeast Texas is helping the drought, as we are in the worst drought in Texas history, next to the Dust Bowl days. The weather's calling for isolated tornadoes, large hail possible, and flooding throughout the area, and this is just the beginning. Actually, this is the second round of rain, but it's still just beginning compared to the day. Right now, the time is somewhere between 7 and 7:30 a.m., and the rain started at approximately 5:33 a.m. I was so excited I stayed up all night waiting for it. As you can see, it's thundering very loud, if you can hear it well. And there's some really good lightnings, but the camera's not showing them that well. But I'll try to get you one, so you guys can see a good one. As you can see, the street's flooding just a little bit. It doesn't really flood a lot here, even when it rains every day consistently, and the ground's already saturated, but seems like there's so much rain coming down that the drains can't take it, and it's been such a long time since the last rain. In total, we haven't had a rainfall with one storm making over an inch in 9 months. We're almost going for a year here. 9 months for the cities of Austin, San Antonio, and cities further south in Texas, and Houston having the worst drought, and the Woodlands, Conroe, all the metropolitan area of these 3 cities haven't had rain for the last 9 months, already going on 10, and if this isn't followed by more rainfalls like this, then this will be going for about a year, since we're going into the dry season in summer. As you can see, the rain's letting up, and it doesn't look like there's much more lightning, so I'm ending this video now.